अगर आपको भी महाराष्ट्र में एमबीए करना है एंड दैट टू फ्रॉम अ प्रेस्टिजियस गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज, then this video is for you. Hi there, I'm Aditya Sridhar. I've scored a 99.99 percentile in the MBA CET and I'm a alumnus of JBIMS. इस वीडियो में we are going to be discussing the top 5 government B schools in Maharashtra. So let's get started right away. These rankings are by IIRF, जो बहुत ही holistic ranking है, and I've gone through the rankings and it seems to be quite accurate, because this ranking is using होलिस्टिक मेथोडोलॉजी. तो इस रैंकिंग में क्या क्या यूज होता है वो समझ लेते हैं. फर्स्ट इज प्लेसमेंट परफॉर्मेंस, देन इज द टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग, third is the research output, fourth is the industry integration, then you have placement strategy and support, then you have the external perception, and iske basis pe all the colleges get a average, get an overall score जिसके बेसिस पे ये रैंकिंग होता है. इन महाराष्ट्र द टॉप गवर्नमेंट बी स्कूल इज JBIMS, जिसका फीस फॉर 2 years is around 8 lakh rupees and the average package is 26 lakhs per annum. अगर आप you can get into this college through CET, CAT, MAT, ATMAS, CMAT, ZAT and GMAT. At number 2, you have IIM Mumbai, which is formerly NITI Mumbai, जिसका average fees is around 20 lakhs per annum. Average package is around 30 lakhs per annum. And ये college admission पाने के लिए आपको देना पड़ेगा CAT. At number 3, you have Shailesh J. Mehta School of Management, which is a management school of IIT Bombay. यहाँ पे fees for 2 years is around 9 lakhs and average package is 25 lakhs per annum. At number 4, you have IIM Nagpur, जिसकी 2 years की fees are 18 lakhs, and the average package that you get is 18 lakhs per annum. At number 5, you have Sydenham Mumbai, जिसका fees for 2 years is 1.5 lakhs and जिसका average package is around 15 lakhs per annum. For IIM Mumbai, IIT Bombay and IIM Nagpur, you will have to take the CAT. तो अगर आपको ये कॉलेजेस में जाना है तो आपको कैट एग्जाम लेना ही पड़ेगा. थ्रू सीईटी यू कैन गेट एडमिशन इन JBIMS एंड सिडनम, एंड यहाँ पे कैट, जैट, एटमा, मैट, CMAT, ये एग्जाम्स भी एक्सेप्टेड है, बट दैट इज ओनली फॉर द ऑल इंडिया सीट. फॉर द महाराष्ट्र स्टेट स्टूडेंट्स, you will have to take the CET. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. I'm Aditya Sridhar. I will see you guys in the next video.